You search how to buy shares of Voyageurs du Monde SA, which trades on Euronext under the ticker ALVDM.PA. This short guide will show the practical steps. Voyageurs du Monde is a French travel and tour operator, and this information is educational only, not investment advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ALVDM.PA to find the listing on Euronext. Make sure you select the Voyageurs du Monde SA entry to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for ALVDM.PA. Double-check the company name and ticker on that page to confirm it is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform as shown. And remember, this is educational information only,